Something as small as drinking a glass of clove water at night could help support your digestion, heart, bones, and even your sleep. It's not some new health trend. People have been using cloves for centuries in traditional medicine. But now, even modern research is backing up what our ancestors already knew. Clove water is packed with powerful benefits that can help your body function better as you age. It's incredibly easy to make. No complicated recipes, no expensive supplements, just a few cloves, some warm water, and a couple of minutes of your time. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 powerful benefits of drinking clove water at night. These are simple, natural ways to improve your health, and I promise, some of them will surprise you. Now, before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you tuning in from? Comment below and share your city. I always enjoy hearing from you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips like these. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. 1. Supports digestion and reduces bloating. Drinking clove water at night can help your digestion work more smoothly and prevent those uncomfortable bloated feelings. Cloves contain a powerful natural compound called eugenol, which helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes are like little workers in your stomach, breaking down food so your body can absorb nutrients more efficiently. When your digestion is working well, you feel lighter, have more energy, and experience less discomfort after meals. Another amazing benefit of clove water is that it helps fight off harmful bacteria in your gut. You see, our digestive system is full of both good and bad bacteria. When there's too much bad bacteria, it can cause stomach issues like bloating, gas, or even diarrhea. Clove water acts like a natural cleanser, helping to keep your gut balanced and healthy. And let's not forget about constipation. If you've ever struggled with irregularity, clove water can help keep things moving by gently relaxing the stomach muscles and improving digestion overnight. No need for harsh medications, just a simple, natural remedy that works while you sleep. The best way to use clove water for digestion? Drink a warm glass about 30 minutes after dinner. This gives your body time to start digesting your meal while allowing the cloves to do their job. Give it a try, and you might be surprised at how much lighter and more comfortable you feel the next morning. 2. Protects and supports liver health. Your liver is like your body's personal cleanup crew. It works all day, every day, to remove toxins, break down fats, and process nutrients from the food you eat. But as we age, our liver works harder, especially if we take medications, eat processed foods, or have been exposed to toxins over the years. That's why it's important to give it a little extra care, and clove water can help. Cloves contain a special compound called eugenol, which has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Think of antioxidants like tiny shields that protect your liver from damage. Over time, harmful substances can cause oxidative stress, leading to liver problems. But drinking clove water helps neutralize these harmful effects, keeping your liver strong and functioning at its best. What's even more fascinating is that clove water may actually help your liver heal itself. Research suggests that the compounds in cloves can promote the growth of new liver cells, helping the liver repair any damage caused by poor diet, alcohol, or toxins. It's like giving your liver a fresh start. Another major benefit is that clove water helps prevent fat buildup in the liver. A condition called fatty liver disease is becoming more common, especially in older adults. When fat accumulates in the liver, it can lead to serious health issues. But cloves help regulate fat metabolism, ensuring your liver doesn't get overloaded. So, how can you make the most of this? Drinking a cup of clove water before bed allows your liver to detox and repair while you sleep. It's a simple, natural way to support one of the most important organs in your body, and your liver will definitely thank you for it. 3. Supports heart health and lowers blood pressure. Your heart is working every second of every day to keep you alive. As we age, it becomes even more important to take care of it. High blood pressure, clogged arteries, and inflammation can all put extra strain on the heart. Cloves are packed with powerful antioxidants, which helps reduce inflammation in the arteries. Think of your arteries like a garden hose. Over time, if debris builds up inside, the water struggles to flow through. The same happens with your blood vessels. When inflammation and plaque build up, it makes it harder for your heart to pump blood efficiently. Clove water helps keep those blood vessels open and flexible, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. Another important benefit is that clove water helps regulate cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, and cloves work by reducing the bad LDL cholesterol while boosting the good HDL cholesterol. This balance helps prevent blockages in your arteries and keeps your heart functioning properly. And here's something fascinating: clove water can help prevent blood clotting. While clotting is necessary for healing wounds, too much clotting inside the blood vessels can lead to serious issues like heart attacks and strokes. The natural compounds in cloves help keep blood flowing smoothly, reducing the risk of dangerous clots forming. 4. Strengthens bones and joints. Cloves are rich in flavonoids, manganese, and eugenol, all of which play a major role in bone strength and density. Manganese, in particular, is essential for forming strong bones. It helps stimulate osteoblasts, which are the cells responsible for building and maintaining bone tissue. This is especially important for older adults since bone density naturally decreases with age, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Another incredible benefit of clove water is its ability to reduce joint pain and inflammation. Many older adults experience stiffness, swelling, or discomfort in their joints, especially in conditions like arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of eugenol help soothe joint pain and improve mobility. Imagine waking up in the morning and feeling less stiffness in your knees, back, or hands, just because of a simple habit like drinking clove water. And here's something most people don't know: cloves can help prevent bone loss. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in cloves reduce oxidative stress in the bones, which means less damage and more protection. This is a natural way to support your skeletal system without relying entirely on supplements. If you want to keep your bones and joints in the best shape possible, start drinking clove water at night. It works while you sleep, helping your body repair and strengthen bones naturally. A simple step today can keep you active and independent for years to come. 5. Improves respiratory health and makes breathing easier. Cloves contain natural expectorant properties, which means they help loosen mucus and clear out congestion from the lungs. If you often wake up with a cough, a dry throat, or a heavy feeling in your chest, drinking warm clove water before bed can help clear your airways overnight, making it easier to breathe when you wake up. Another major benefit is that clove water helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory system. Inflammation in the airways can make breathing difficult, especially for people with asthma, chronic bronchitis, or seasonal allergies. The eugenol and flavonoids in cloves work as natural anti-inflammatory agents, helping to relax the bronchial muscles and open up the lungs. And let's not forget the antibacterial and antiviral properties of cloves. If you've ever had a lingering cough after a cold or struggled with frequent respiratory infections, cloves can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses in your throat and lungs. This makes it an excellent natural remedy during flu season or whenever you feel like your lungs need extra care. For the best results, drink a cup of warm clove water at night. As you sleep, it will work to soothe your airways, clear out mucus, and reduce inflammation, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and able to breathe more freely. If you've ever struggled with breathing issues, this simple habit might make a world of difference. 6. Improves dental health and prevents gum infections. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to relieve toothaches and fight oral infections. And there's a good reason for that: they contain powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help keep your mouth healthy. One of the biggest problems for older adults is gum disease, which can lead to bleeding gums, sensitivity, and even tooth loss. Clove water helps fight harmful bacteria that cause gum infections, keeping your gums strong and healthy. Think of it as a natural mouthwash that works while you sleep. And if you ever experience toothaches or sensitivity, cloves have a natural pain-relieving effect. The compound in cloves acts as a mild anesthetic, numbing pain and reducing swelling. So, if you wake up in the middle of the night with a toothache, drinking warm clove water might bring relief. Another incredible benefit is that clove water helps freshen breath by killing bacteria that cause bad odors in the mouth. Instead of using chemical-filled mouthwashes, a simple glass of clove water can do the job, naturally and effectively. For the best results, drink a warm glass of clove water before bed. It will help clean your mouth, fight bacteria, and soothe any gum irritation overnight. A simple habit like this can go a long way in keeping your smile strong and healthy for years to come. 7. Helps you sleep better and reduces stress. A good night's sleep is one of the most important things for your health, but as we get older, falling asleep and staying asleep can become a challenge. You might find yourself waking up in the middle of the night, tossing and turning, or feeling restless. If that sounds familiar, here's something that might help: a warm cup of clove water before bed. Cloves contain natural compounds that help relax the body and mind, making it easier to drift into a deep, restful sleep. The cloves has mild sedative properties, which means it can help reduce stress, tension, and anxiety, all of which play a huge role in sleep quality. If your mind tends to race at night or you struggle to relax, clove water can help calm your nervous system and prepare your body for rest. Another reason cloves are great for sleep is that they help regulate blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar spikes or drops too quickly at night, it can cause disruptions in sleep. By drinking clove water, you help stabilize those levels, reducing the chances of waking up in the middle of the night feeling restless or hungry. And let's not forget muscle relaxation. If you often experience leg cramps, stiffness, or discomfort that keeps you awake, clove water's anti-inflammatory properties can help ease tension in your muscles and promote relaxation. For the best results, drink a warm cup of clove water about 30 minutes before bed. Let it become part of your nighttime routine, just like brushing your teeth or reading a book. You might be surprised at how much more refreshed and energized you feel in the morning. Precautions and who should avoid clove water. While clove water offers incredible health benefits, it's important to know that it's not for everyone. Like anything, it should be used in moderation to avoid potential side effects. Here are a few precautions to keep in mind before adding clove water to your nightly routine. 1. If you take blood thinners. Cloves contain eugenol, which has natural blood-thinning properties. If you're on medications like warfarin, aspirin, or other anticoagulants, drinking clove water may increase the risk of bleeding. Always check with your doctor first. 2. If you have low blood sugar. Clove water helps regulate blood sugar levels, but if you're diabetic or take medications for blood sugar control, it could lower your sugar too much. Monitor your levels and talk to your healthcare provider if needed. 3. If you have a sensitive stomach or ulcers. While clove water supports digestion, in some people, it may cause irritation, especially if you have stomach ulcers, IBS, or acid reflux. If you notice discomfort, it's best to avoid it. 4. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Clove water in small amounts, like in food, is safe, but in larger amounts, it may not be suitable during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. Always consult a doctor before use. 5. Before surgery. Because cloves thin the blood, stop drinking clove water at least 2 weeks before any surgery to reduce the risk of excessive bleeding. If you don't fall into any of these categories, clove water is a safe and natural remedy that can support your overall health. But remember, moderation is key. 1 cup a night is enough to enjoy the benefits without any side effects. So, now you know, something as simple as drinking a warm cup of clove water at night can make a real difference in your health. From better digestion and a healthier liver to stronger bones, easier breathing, and improved sleep, cloves are truly a natural powerhouse. If you've been looking for a simple, natural way to feel better, why not give it a try? Start tonight. Make yourself a cup, drink it before bed, and see how your body feels in the morning. And now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried clove water before? If not, are you willing to give it a shot? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your experiences. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. And hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.